Hi everyone, so this is another episode of BMW i3 vlog from the EV side. So if you've just bought an i3 or you're thinking about buying an i3, this is just a quick bunch of mini series around bits around the i3, BMW i3 specifically. This week I'm going to talk about DC fast charging, what that means and how it's done. Okay. So we've just stopped at a DC fast charger. So this particular one is a Polar. Polar have a monthly subscription of I think $7.99, and then you have X amount of P per kilowatt you use. It's really simple. It's a RFID card. You swipe it on the front, which I'll obviously demonstrate, and plug it in and away we go. So really easy. Just going to talk you through that. Talk you through what type of connection it is, because it's slightly different to the Type 2 that I mentioned in my previous video, and just the basic simple principle of DC fast charging. DC fast charging generally will get you in an i3, it runs at 50 kilowatts. The Polars at the moment are generally 50. There's a plan to increase those to 150 and 350 over the course of time. The i3 will only take up to 50, so you'll only ever get as much as what the car can take currently. So that's what it is. Generally within 20 or 30 minutes you'll get about 80% of your battery. Now, rule of thumb is generally take into account temperature and the way you drive, essentially. So it's approximately, let's see, it's the degrees outside, so it's 11 degrees, which is about good actually for temperature wise, and I can expect to probably get on a full charge to get about 120 130 miles, and then obviously depending on how you drive is how much that decreases quicker or longer. So let's go through the steps. So first of all, you're going to use one of these, and we're going to go out against the machine and see what's what. Okay, so we're going to open it flat, and for DC fast charging you're going to need to take that one and that one. So DC is basically, AC is that, DC combined is for that one. So go for this one, and that, accepted. And then I'm going to select CCS of this particular cable, plug in, and you should start to see that going. See the connection. So that'll go through various vehicle checks, make sure communication, grounding and everything else is okay. Once that's confirmed, in a minute, there we go, charging. So that will go to blue. As you can see, the charging time, approximate time of ending, approximate amount of miles you'll get, current miles, and obviously a percentage bar. Now, like I said, 80%. It's currently what time is it now? So it's 4:30, and that says about quarter to 5. So it's about an hour or so. But actually, getting up to 80% will be a lot quicker than that. So that's just a rule of thumb, really. Once you've done that, you can obviously check on the car if you're sitting with the car like I am, or you can go to the app, which I showed on my previous video. So same principle in terms of checking how the percentage is and where we are. So nice and easy, nice and straightforward, nothing to be scared of if you're a new EV driver, and yeah, really simple. DCs generally are for longer journeys. I tend to use them because I don't have home charging, so it's nice and easy for me. Yeah, as simple as that. So yeah, that's just a quick short video about CCS charging and fast charging. There's loads of other networks around there. I'll point you out to some of them. So obviously we had the Polar, we've got GD Point tend to do them, and I've got two for actually foreign driving, or France and Europe. But there's lots of people like Instavolt and various other ones that are coming online with fast charging. So you'll start to see more and more of these pop up. The infrastructure across the UK is generally pretty good. Certainly what I found anyway, personally. There's still some black areas or spots that haven't got as many, and that will just improve over time. Anyway, if you like this video, please like, please share, please subscribe if you don't already. Check out my Patreon page as well if you have time. Leave some comments in below, whatever makes my videos better. Please leave some comments. I'm more than happy to get feedback so we can make it better. Anyway, till next time, thanks very much.